Now, we do have some changes today. Yep. Well, the cold front move in, but we need rain, so it's hard to complain about rain, especially when it's on a Tuesday. Come on, we're not that busy on a Tuesday, right? Except that a lot of us are going back to work in school today. The kids had off yesterday. I didn't realize that. It was all the teachers that had to go back yesterday. Teachers, I hope you had a good first day back. And I hope that you have fun welcoming the kiddos back today. Satellite and radar will show you a front to our north. That is going to bring us the rain chance later today. But as we wait for it, it is a comfortable morning out there, a little on the cool side in some spots. We have a lot of 50s out there, 54 in Bartow, 56 in Riverview. We're at 55 in Lakeland, 57 in Wesley Chapel, 52 in Brooksville, 66 in Tampa, 67 here in St. Pete, 64 in Sarasota. That Gulf temperature still in the 60s. Remember when we had that really warm stretch of weather in the Gulf? Made it into the 70s. It'll eventually go back there, but it is a little cool just in case you did have beach plans today. Let's talk about the timing of the rain. We'll stay dry for the entirety of your morning drive and through your lunch hour. It's going to be after 4 o'clock when this front moves in. So we'll have a few showers and storms possible along the Nature Coast, Citrus, Hernando County, and then also along I-4. That's going to be kind of the focus point for the early commute around 4. And then between about 5 and 6, as this front continues to sink south, heavy downpours possible, especially along I-4. So if you do commute along I-4, just know some heavy downpours will be possible for that ride home. We're also looking at heavy rain throughout eastern Hillsborough County, Polk County, Hardy, Highlands County. And as the front continues to sink south and the sun sets tonight, we'll lose that energy. And ultimately, the rain and storms will fizzle apart through the overnight tonight and will be nice and quiet. Now, that low will be off on the Atlantic coast tomorrow morning, but as it slides closer to us through the day, that'll wrap around a few isolated showers tomorrow afternoon. So if you want to send the kids to school with the umbrella tomorrow, wouldn't be a bad idea because we will have the chance for a few isolated showers along the I-4 corridor, even into the Tampa metro area. So that could impact that ride home from school. Heavy rain for the evening commute will stay south of I-4 down towards Bradenton, Sarasota, into Hardy and DeSoto County. But notice that could impact parts of the Sunshine Skyway and I-75 for the evening commute tomorrow, which is obviously a very heavily traveled area. Thursday does look mostly dry. That's the good news. Temperature-wise, still plenty warm. Highs in the low 80s closer to the coast today. Mid to upper 80s inland. The humidity is going to be a little higher today, so mid to upper 80s is going to feel a little steamy. High temperatures the next few days, even with that front, will stay in the low 80s Wednesday, but then very warm back half of the week. Mid to upper 80s. Can you spot our next cold front? Yeah, there it is. Saturday into Sunday, we'll briefly drop into the upper 70s Sunday before going back into the 80s most of the following week. Let's talk about that front because the one even over the weekend will bring us a very low end rain chance. This isn't a strong front either in terms of rain and storms. However, we're going to have high pressure building in behind this. It is going to be very breezy Saturday and Sunday as this front moves in. So most of Saturday stays dry. This will look just before 6 o'clock. A few showers possible. Sunday does look dry, but again, breezy and a little cooler on Sunday, and then into next week we're nice and warm. And with the wind picking up, now that I'm going to the marine forecast, more than likely the boating conditions this weekend won't be ideal, but we'll be keeping an eye on it for you. Light chop on the bay, seas 1 to 2 feet today. That UV index at 9. Someone go get your tan on today. That's nice and high for you. 81 degrees. Wear your sunscreen, though. 81 today. Chance for scattered showers and storms for the evening commute today and tomorrow. Mainly looking inland and along and south of I-4 for today and tomorrow's rain chance. Mostly dry Thursday and Friday. Few showers possible Saturday night before we briefly, slightly cool down Sunday. Monday, we're dry and back in the low 80s.